Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Mike. Welcome. We're so excited to have you with us.
So, what is this? How does it work? What do you get? What you get is precision medicine plus preventative primary care.
So after signing up, we're going to send you to our platform, Clarity. We'll first send you there to complete your health forms or your health questionnaires that allow us to get the background on you that we need to really deliver you those precision medicine recommendations. In the first 3 days, we're going to send you a reminder to fill out a health log. A health log is basically just a list of what you do in your average day so that we can understand what types of foods you're eating, how you're sleeping, what sort of exercise you get. It's really just the insight that we need to help us start to get an understanding of who you are and how you live your life. Within that first week, we're going to have you schedule your first health coach call. And don't worry, we're going to send you the notifications to remind you to do this. In the first 10 days or so, you'll probably receive your DNA kit. We'll want you to go ahead and collect that and return it as soon as possible. In addition, in that first 10 days, if you've got any lab work that you need to collect, go ahead and get that collected so we can get that information as soon as possible. In the first 2 weeks, we'll want you to complete that health coaching call. And again, we'll remind you to get this done. After that health coaching call, we'll ask you to complete a second health log so that we can continue to get some more information that maybe we didn't collect in that first health log. Within the first 30 days, if you got your DNA and your labs done quickly, we'll set you up with your initial medical consult. And this is a visit where you meet with your physician and your health coach, and we deliver your health report. This is comprehensive and goes over everything from diet to exercise, chronic disease. It'll allow us to set goals and give you recommendations on how to live your daily life. From there, you'll be able to have repeat visits or set up any additional tests or get follow-up labs or communicate with your health team however you need to in between the visits. And if you need to reach out to us in the meantime, feel free to reach out here.
And thanks for trusting us with your care. We hope you're as excited as we are for you to start this journey, and we'll talk to you soon.